Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you an easy way on how to find your Twitter account link. And all you have to do is to launch the Twitter application, which is the X. And then you're going to go to your profile, in which you're going to tap on it, and then you're going to tap on your profile again. From there, you're going to see some of the tweets that you do to tweet. And if you wanted to see your account link, you can just tap on the share icon that is in one of the tweets, and then you are going to tap on copy link. From there, you're going to go back, and then you're going to choose your Google or Notes. So you're going to paste that link. Once you've pasted it, you're not going to press on the search button. We are going to give it some of the things that are here. Then we are going to leave it at that. So this will be your Twitter account link. So in case that you do copy this link, then you send it to some of your friends, they will be directed to your account. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if it did help, and I'll see you guys on the next video.